Okay guys, don't get mad at me, but I had already opened up this package, and it was because I had no idea what this was. I had ordered these about a week ago, and I never got the confirmation email that they had sent it, so that was strange. I was still waiting for that. I was expecting some delays because I had previously tried to order them, and the website told me they were out of stock, so I tried it again. Shout out what is it, GT. Give me a second, I'll give you guys a proper shout out. Shout out GTOGATA.com for these guys. Only took a week to get here, so fan freaking tastic. Anyways, we got these nice springs, so I know what you guys are thinking. Oh man, the G8's getting lowered. Actually no, it's getting raised, and it very badly needs to be raised. And luckily these things only cost me, I forgot how much it was. It was like $180 or something around there, and they should raise the back of the G8. These are heavy duty raised springs. Doesn't raise it much, but I might have to throw a small tiny spacer in here to make it work. But I'm very happy that when these are finally underneath the car, it will look very nice, because we're about nice here. We're about nice stuff here. This is the part number, just in case you guys are curious. Oh, and would you look at that? Made in Australia. Fantastic. Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we... Alright, so this is the new ride height. Measure it out for you guys. I need to get these wheels painted, definitely. But now we have, I would say, a little under 4 inches, maybe 3/4. This is the side that was pretty bad before. It's probably gonna be a little lower. I don't know why. Yes, so this side is just 3. So this side just always sits lower. This is why the tire's all cut up.
After doing a little bit more research on the forums, it seems to be that the consensus is that the left side or driver's side sits lower than the right side or passenger side is due to the fact that the battery is sitting in the trunk on the driver's side. So I haven't found anything other than that would, I don't know, that would be close, because that seems to make sense. It says that it weighs over 50 pounds, so I guess that's where the difference would come from. So the more you know.
Okay, I don't know what the stock ride height for G8 is on the back, but the bottom of the diffuser is right at 16, maybe a little under 16. Plenty of room down there. One thing I would say is that because you raise the car, right, the view out the back, more of the top of the, you can see more of the top of the trunk back there. I don't know what that's called, but where those anchors are, yeah, that part. And it's not too bad. Couldn't really see out the back that much anyways, so just something to notice, I guess.
Overall, I'm pretty content with how it turned out. They look great underneath the car. Red and yellow combo really sets it off. Plus, it's what I'm going with. I'm happy that I can finally sit grown adult people in the back. You know, it was really dumb for a long time having a sedan and being unable to carry anybody. It's fixed so much so that I was able to pick up my daughter's brand new princess carriage, and this thing was not light. Don't worry, guys. The interior is fine. I did blanket down. It's all good. Fit perfectly. It just speaks volumes as to how utilitarian this car really is. You can have fun and lug stuff around all you want. And you're probably wondering why I didn't pick this thing up in the Blazer. Well, you see, the thing about that is
Okay.
but what can you do? Yeah. Anyways, here's what it looks like. Here's a little quick walk around. Satisfied. Some people might think it's too much wheel gap or whatever, but as you guys know, I really don't care about all that stuff. As long as it works, as long as I can carry more than 2 people in the car and maybe a couple groceries in the trunk, I'm happy. And so far, no rubbing, no scraping. Best purchase I've made by far. So this is about almost a month of having these springs on, and this is the right height. It didn't adjust anymore after that. I'm very happy with that, actually. Some people say it might be a little too high at the front, but I like that old muscle car style.